Hello everyone, this is Chloe from Yinda Machinery. In the powder processing industry, safety is one of the most important factors in production. To meet the pulverizing requirements of flammable and explosive materials, we developed the YDWF-15 Classifier mill, providing customers with a safer, more stable, and efficient pulverizing solution through advanced explosion-proof design. The biggest advantage of the air classifier mill is its excellent explosion-proof performance. The machine is equipped with multiple explosion-proof features, including an explosion-proof motor, explosion-proof electrical control cabinet, and a fan-shaped flameless venting device for the dust collection system, providing comprehensive protection from power transmission, electrical control, and dust safety. The explosion-proof motor ensures stable and reliable operation while meeting requirements of special production environments. The explosion-proof electrical control cabinet provides professional protection for the electrical system and reduces potential safety risks during operation. Meanwhile, the dust collection system is equipped with a fan-shaped flameless venting device. In case of abnormal internal pressure caused by dust explosion risks, the device can quickly release pressure and reduce the hazards caused by explosion, ensuring safer equipment operation and a safer working environment. More importantly, the key explosion-proof components of air classifier mill are certified and supplied with professional certification documents, providing reliable safety assurance for customers. Besides its outstanding explosion-proof performance, the air classifier mill also features ultra-fine pulverizing capacity, high efficiency, energy saving, and stable operation. It is widely used in industries such as chemicals, food, pharmaceuticals, and advanced materials. Choosing the air classifier mill means choosing not only advanced pulverizing technology, but also a safer and more reliable production solution. That's all. Bye.